This is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. We are continuing our energy series, and today we're talking about what goes on between the ears to help you with energy. If you're new here, big welcome to you. Remember to subscribe and click the little bell. All of you who are continuing the energy series with me, so glad that you're staying on this journey. Let's talk about mental health practices that increase your energy. Laughter doeth good like a medicine, does it ever? And it also increases your energy. It increases your endorphins, all of those feel-good hormones. Laughter, play. So I encourage you, every day, find a way to do this. And last night, confession time, last night I was stressed, which we've talked about in previous videos, and I was having some trouble going to sleep because of that. Well, my very wise husband started talking about funny scenes from movies that we enjoy and got me laughing, and amazing, the stress started leaving. So thank you, Doug, for doing that. Another mental health practice is mindfulness. We talked about that last time with mindful eating, and mindfulness meditation really does increase your energy. There's a lot of great apps out there. I encourage you find one that works for you. If you want one that's scripture-based, Abide is an app for that. There's a lot that are not scripture-based, but they're still fine, because you're focused on your breathing, you're focused on your surroundings and centering in. Anything to help you train your brain in mindfulness and meditation is going to help you. Also, this is so big, positive thinking. What are you thinking all day? What's your self-talk like? Is your self-talk draining you or giving you energy? Because you want that upward spiral, like we talked about with how sunshine helps the serotonin, which helps the melatonin and gets your energy going up. And so you get up on an upward spiral. Same thing with the thoughts. Your positive thoughts will help you. And I mean, there's no condemnation. We all have times that we get into a negative mindset trap. And the key is, when you catch it, have some thoughts, have some phrases that can help you shift that so you get back into the positive thinking. So play and laughter, find a way to incorporate that every day. Mindfulness, meditation, find a way to incorporate that every day. And I had somebody at a workshop a week and a half ago, as we were talking about these practices on energy. She was asking, how long do I meditate? For me, as long as I get it in. It might be a minute, it might be 2 minutes, it might be 10. Some people, there's been some research that showed how 27 minutes a day of meditation average over 8 weeks, this was a study from Harvard, that they saw an increase in the size of the hippocampus. Well, the hippocampus helps with learning and therefore helps with your productivity, which is the whole big theme of this series that we're doing, is energy and productivity. So meditation will help you with that. So it's a great mental practice for energy, but I haven't ever been able to meditate for 27 minutes. I'm going to work on it though. So any of you who are big into meditation out there, send any ideas in, put them in the comments of how you can build on that meditation practice, both carving out the time for it as well as being able to sit still for that long and meditate. So those three things: play and laughter, mindfulness, meditation, and a great way to start practicing that is with your meals. And last is positive thinking. Pay attention to your self-talk. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to do that. And always remember, you can find your path and you can fulfill your potential.